Ever feel like handling your product packaging is taking up too much time? Contract packaging is a simple solution that can free you from the headaches of packaging, labeling, and distribution. Imagine having a trusted partner organize all of that for you, while you focus on growing your business. That's what contract packing does. Instead of managing packaging materials and deadlines, you get a team of experts to organize it all, saving you time and stress. Whether you have a seasonal rush or year-round needs, contract packing scales with you, making sure you're always ready for whatever comes next. Plus, it saves you money. No need for costly packaging equipment or hiring additional staff. You get high-quality packaging designed to fit your brand and product every time, without the extra expenses. Best of all, with your packaging in the hands of professionals, your product gets to market faster. And because we become an extension of your team, we support your unique needs every step of the way. That means more satisfied customers and a real edge over your competition. Ready to simplify your packaging and get back to growing your business? Contact us at RGL to learn more about contract packaging.